you were going to pretend for a moment that you weren't from Atlanta, and you were looking at the Atlanta market as a potential investor, what would you list as the pluses, the reasons to invest here, and what would you list as the weak spots, or the reasons or things to be mindful of?
Well, the plus is just being the location of it. I mean, geographically, you look at it on the map, and it's a pretty central launching platform for different parts of the country and in fact parts of the world. It's diverse, which works to its advantage. We have people from all walks of life, cultures, and all over the world.
It's a very integrated city.
It is very much integrated, and you have people from all over the world. So I mean, any society, culture, I mean, it blends together. You can find something for anybody. There's so much to do in Atlanta. For whatever your interest is, if you like to go to the lake, boating, and just things outside of the city, that's more nature and mountains, rivers, and places that you can visit. So in terms of activities, lifestyle, I think it would accommodate anybody from all over the world. The market continues to be stable in its current state, and Atlanta is one of the projected cities that when the market does return, it's going to appreciate more rapidly than the rest of the country. Los Angeles, Chicago, New York. Those are challenging areas, even Miami. That's all very pretty popular cities to live in, and they're just going to be more challenging to bounce back from. So as a whole, I think Atlanta is just going to be more solid as a place to live and as a place to invest, just because of all the amenities that are located here. In terms of challenges, like I said, it's kind of a tougher question. It could take longer for the market to rebound. That could be a negative. It's just, if you're wanting to do a short-term investment, you may not make as much short-term as you would make long-term. That could be a negative just as far as the volatility of the market coming back. Population, it's stable in that we have 5.5 million people here in Atlanta, which creates a problem of traffic. Getting around town, Atlanta is the second worst in the country in terms of traffic. It's just, it's being so heavily populated, just getting around is difficult. More in terms of selling, or what are some other perspectives that you were looking at?
Well, as a foreign investor, I sort of specifically, what would kind of, you're often, the US is a big place. You're often weighing up one city against another, so that, there's always pluses and minuses.
Right, and I mean, and that's going to apply for anyone remotely. I mean, there are so many things in Atlanta in terms of buying property that you have to be leery of, like you've got all your the legalities that you go through, the tax brackets and how you're taxed financially on a property when you buy it. If you're buying it and you're just trying to handle it yourself, I mean, it can be challenging. You have to have an attorney. You need to be incorporated here, and that costs money to do that. Each property can cost you a lot more. If you don't know what you're doing, it can be costly. Yeah. We've seen people buying externally from other countries internationally that have gotten themselves not understanding the tax brackets, the tax laws here in Georgia specifically, but in the United States, that have been very expensive, that cost them money, and have created some real issues. So not understanding the market, not understanding the finances of the process of buying a property from beginning to end, and then when you go back to sell it years down the road, I mean, if you don't have someone that knows what they're doing, that's experienced in it, it can cost a lot of money.